Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer, stock number 7279. It's run from the 9th 2011 to the 12th 2017. It's a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 16-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door, 1 scratch and dent, left rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right front 16-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.